Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how you can use Peeps, the ultimate eyeglass cleaner. So let's get started.
Welcome, Corey. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. Thanks for having me.
Corey, your glasses are disgusting. How could you see anything?
Right. Why would anybody try and look through glasses like this? I mean, this is really bad. You know, fingerprints and facial oils and all kinds of dust and dirt. It all gets on there. We don't want you to have to run around in glasses like this. So we're bringing you space-age carbon technology in the most sophisticated glasses cleaner you've ever seen. These are called Peeps by CarbonKlean, okay? Now it just slides out like this. And right here, this is kind of like tweezers for your glasses. Each surface grabs a different side of the lens, and each one of those little microfiber pads is embedded with supercharged carbon that gets your glasses cleaner than you ever thought possible. Okay, now take a look. That was just a couple swipes right there. Can you see
my goodness.
the difference? Look at that.
Wow.
Unbelievable.
And I was just going to say, I've been using my shirt for years. I guess that's probably not quite as effective.
Okay, don't use your shirt. Don't grab one of these little cloths, because all you're really doing is just smearing the dirt around all over the place. Instead, use Peeps. Now, we did say that this was space-age technology. Let me actually take that a little further. This technology was actually developed by NASA and is used even now on the International Space Station to clean all their cameras and scopes. And here's what's really exciting about it. Inside the cap is a recharge station. So you see that little surface, that little horizontal surface in there? Every single time the Peeps go back into their cap and come back out again, it actually recharges the carbon molecules right here on the microfiber pads. So you're getting a fresh, cleaning surface every single time to keep your lenses super, super clean.
I love it. I can tell it's really getting right into the corners. And I'm kind of looking down here at our display, and I'm noticing this brush that's coming out from the other end. What do we use that for?
Right. Okay. So let's say you're walking down your sidewalk and your neighbor is using their leaf blower, right? Dust is going all over the place. Well, they've given you a little brush right on the outside of the Peeps. You just push it up just like this, boom. And then you can take that brush and you can get all the big dust and dirt off before you use those supercharged carbon cleaning pads to go right there on your glasses and get that lens looking clean and beautiful.
Wow, that is out of this world. And I have to tell you, this is the best time to get this. This is the lowest price you're ever going to see it. And by the way, we're only showing a couple of the colors that it's available in. You see here we have the black and the hot pink, but we have them available in the colors of the rainbow. Gone are the days of smearing around the oil and the dirt all over your shirt. Get yours today.